He's like, Daddy, why would I want to burp? I feel perfectly fine.
Peekaboo. No, he's eating the towel. Do the football.
Football. Oh, do football move on it?
Yeah. No, the football burp.
What oh, like where I grab him like this?
Yeah.
Okay, let's give him something to burp there. Is this supposed to work? Or am I torturing my son? Oh! Who was that? Who was that? What did he just did? I think he's smiling now. You messing with Daddy now?
A little monkey.
I can't believe he's only a week old.
I know.
He's a little over a week old. He's already playing practical jokes on Dad.
What was this? Like,
yeah, that's what it felt like.
Kai! Are you full now? Oh, that was not a burp. That was his mouth making noises. Hi.
Tracy all the time.
He is so cute.
Did you figure out how to zoom on the camera yet?
Yes. Him and his... Mike is so out of shape he has to lean on the crib.
I work 10 hours a day, and you give me grief. And I'm sitting here with your son, and you're sitting nicely on the rocking chair. I don't want to hear
My
it.
feet are still swollen, okay?
Yeah, sure.
The wrist with the IV was poked in still hurts.
Yeah. Oh, God. Oh, it's terrible. Where is he at? There he is. You want a burp cloth? You got a chubby monkey right there. What double chin you got flaunting, buddy? Dead sexy.
Yes. When did you get this?
I think it's recent.
When did you get this? Huh? I don't remember this. It's Grandma. Grandma's been feeding you too much. Grandma keeps yelling at me saying, if you don't feed you enough. What's that? What did I hear? Did you just drop a load? No, you bruised this one. I gotta...
Oh, you get to sit and do it. Oh, you're leaning against a chair. Oh, look at that.
Come on, give me a good burp. Come on, be nice to me. You can be mean to your dad, but don't be nice. You can be mean to your brother, be nice to me. You're stuck with him for another 6 weeks.
Me?
He is. He's stuck with me for another 6 weeks.
No, he is. Oh.
Would you be upset if I took another 2 weeks off?
Yep.
Okay.
Why do you want to take another 2 weeks off?
Oh, I love him. You can't leave him. Was that a burp? No?
That sort of sounded like a burp.
Ready? Oh. When we go to the doctor tomorrow, we'll measure how long you are. How about that? I'm irresistible. Ay-ya. Ay-ya.
His hair's getting all curly.
Yeah, it's getting kind of wavy. Alright, let's try burp again.